2018 Bentley Flying Spur Review. The Bentley Flying Spur is really a classy approach to travel, whether to be a driver or passenger. A Gulfstream G650 would be the most affluent solution to travel, particularly if you consider its top speed of 600 miles per hour along with a starting cost of $65 million, but you're obviously limited with regards to where to park it. The 2018 Bentley Flying Spur can hit speeds just past 200 miles per hour and expenses a mere 3% of the Gulfstream, and you may park it almost anywhere. What a bargain! In all seriousness, the Flying Spur will probably be a prime candidate to shuttle someone to and from a jet, whether you would like to drive yourself or if you would like to enjoy it from the passenger seat. It's luxuriously appointed using the finest materials and built by master craftspeople. It's an understated proclamation of wealth which might be tailored to suit your needs and aesthetics. It's elegant beyond doubt, nevertheless it does lack some other modern conveniences and technologies. What's new? The Bentley Flying Spur returns unchanged for 2018. The anything-but standard Bentley Flying Spur is our choice. The comfort-focused suspension does a better job of gliding along the highway as opposed to sportier S model. We also recommend the W12 engine for your full effect, rather as opposed to V8. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Bentley Flying Spur emerged in two main variants: Flying Spur V8 and Flying Spur W12. There are also sport versions, V8S and W12S. The V8 works on the turbocharged 4.0-litre V8, great for 500 horsepower and 487 pound-feet of torque. On the V8S, output is increased to 521 horsepower and 502 lb-ft of torque. For the W12, a 6.0-litre W12 engine cranks out 616 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. The W12S version has an incremental increase to 626 horsepower and 605 lb-ft of torque. All-wheel drive with an 8-speed automatic transmission are standard on all versions. Take a seat inside and you will probably find that real wood veneer and leather saturate the inside, and chrome and polished organ stop vent dampers still feature prominently around the dash. Standard feature highlights provide an adjustable air suspension, an energy trunk lid, keyless ignition and entry, a brittling analog dashboard clock, four-zone automatic climate control, and heated and ventilated multi-way power front and back seats. Also standard are an 8-inch front touch screen, a navigation system, a rear view camera, voice controls along with an 8-speaker head unit. The Mulliner specification adds 21-inch wheels or another kind of wheel you're looking, Bentley says, a chrome lower front bumper having a wing insert, a range of 17 diamond quilted perforated interior hides including a presumably non-literal porpoise decor option and 6 wood veneers, an indented leather headliner, a knurled shift knob, drilled alloy pedals along with a special gas tank cap. Other notable options include carbon ceramic brakes, adaptive cruise control, various wheel designs, flip-down wooden picnic tables for rear passengers, upgraded stitching, a two-passenger rear compartment that has a full-length center console, a rear entertainment system with twin screens, Wi-Fi connectivity and also a 13-speaker name audio system. Bentley even offers a seemingly endless selection of different color, trim and upholstery customization options. Trim tested. Has not recently tested or driven this vehicle. The following is our first tackle what's significant over it and what is available. Driving. With gobs of torque plus an all-wheel drive system that biases engine torque to your rear wheels to increase handling, the Flying Spur promises a somewhat sporty driving experience by segment standards. The keyword there is certainly relatively, it becomes an amply sized, heavy sedan in fact. Comfort. This will be the Flying Spurs raison d'etre. Complete cocooning in tangible wood and leather, a flexible suspension and also a nearly silent powertrain enable passengers to feel almost completely isolated. But the rear seating isn't quite as posh as it's in other megabuck luxury sedans. Interior. If in the latest whiz-bang technology, the Flying Spur will not be for you. Instead, give attention to its craftsmanship and also the get-out-o-driving nature on the cockpit layout. The Flying Spur is one in the few cars left that invite one to just drive instead of fiddle together with the in-car electronics. Utility. The only mission on the Flying Spur is always to make its owner happy. Utility is essentially beside the point. Storage space for small items is fixed. Plus the trunk is capable of holding a respectable 16.7 cubic feet. It's lined in plush carpet, certainly. Technology. Yes, it's slacking in comparison to, say, a current spec Hyundai. Even so, the rear seat remote climate control tablet is often a nice touch. There are no fiddly knobs or gesture control systems to go into the way. A simple touch screen and buttons are typically that's available.